Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about something that's becoming more and more popular: EV charger installations. Whether you're installing one in a home or a commercial building, it's important to follow the NEC requirements to ensure everything is done safely and up to code. Let's break down the key points from NEC Article 625 and get you up to speed. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. First off, let's talk about NEC Article 625. This article specifically covers the installation of electric vehicle supply equipment, EVSE, which includes Level 1 and Level 2 chargers. Whether it's a residential or commercial installation, the rules outlined in Article 625 ensure that the EV charger is installed safely and that it operates efficiently. One of the most important things to understand is that NEC 625.12 requires a dedicated circuit for the charger. This means you can't run an EV charger on a circuit that's already serving other appliances or devices. The circuit must be able to handle the full load of the EV charger, which could range from 15 amps to 80 amps, depending on the charger's rating. When installing the dedicated circuit, it's essential to follow the breaker sizing requirements in NEC 625.40. For example, if you're installing a Level 2 charger that draws 40 amps, you need to ensure that the circuit breaker is rated for at least 40 amps or higher. Be sure to check the manufacturer's specifications for the specific requirements of the EV charger you're installing. Next, let's talk about wiring and conduit. According to NEC 625.21, all wiring for EV chargers must be properly protected using the right type of conduit. In most cases, conduit systems such as EMT, electrical metallic tubing, or PVC, are required for outdoor installations, as they provide protection against the elements. It's also crucial to label the charger and its disconnecting means. According to NEC 625.23, the charging circuit must have a disconnecting means located near the EV charger. This disconnect allows for safe operation and maintenance. You'll also need to label the disconnect to indicate that it's for the EV charger. Clear labeling ensures that everyone knows what the disconnect is for, which is especially important in multi-unit or commercial settings. Grounding is another key aspect of NEC 625. The charger's frame and exposed metal parts must be grounded according to NEC 250. Grounding helps prevent electrical shock hazards by providing a path for fault currents to flow safely to the ground. Make sure to use the correct grounding methods and size the grounding conductor according to the load of the EV charger. Finally, you need to consider working space and clearances around the charger. NEC 625.27 requires that you have adequate space for proper ventilation and maintenance. The charger must be installed with enough space around it for safe operation, and it must be easily accessible for both users and electricians. To sum it up, installing an EV charger requires careful planning and strict adherence to NEC Article 625. Following the code ensures safety, compliance, and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got any questions about EV charger installations? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.